DANIAN VREUGD Quarantine Cooking Episode 5. Today we are making macaroni. Let's go.
Oh God, it's so good. So good.
So for the ingredients we need macaroni, beef, the sauce, zucchini, paprika, mushrooms, onions, and that's it. That's all of the ingredients. So now we're gonna start with the hard vegetables. That means the onions. Let's cut them up right now. So now we finished all of the onions. We cut it up and now we're gonna put it in the pan. Let's do that. So now we are gonna do the rest of the vegetables. So that means the zucchini, the paprika, and the mushrooms. So we're gonna do that right now. So now we're done with all the soft vegetables, and we can just put them in. So we put in all the soft vegetables, but I forgot the mushrooms. They're soft vegetables, but not that they're softer than the others. So that's why you put them in last, because they cook the fastest. So we're gonna do that now. So now I did all the vegetables. I cut everything up. We still have this. This is some extra vegetables to just put in as well. So we're gonna put this in, but we're gonna put it together with the mushrooms because they're done really fast. So then we have three things left to do: the meat, the sauce, and the macaroni itself. Let's do the meat first. So we can just open the package and put it in the pan. Let's do that. So now we're gonna do the macaroni finally. Let's just put it in. So now we're gonna put in some water. So now everything is on the stove. Beef, the vegetables, and the macaroni, and now we can set the table. So we're gonna do that right now. So now everything is ready and you can yell to your family, dinner is ready. But in Dutch, it's not dinner is ready, it is aan tafel! Like that. And then you can eat.
Side to side.